Great Thursday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's our latest satellite loop, and thunderstorms have actually developed a little further west than we had originally anticipated. You can see them forming within the past 3 hours across parts of the northern Cape, even the interior of the western and eastern Cape. We've extended our chances of rainfall overnight to accommodate for the thunderstorms, although the atmosphere is very dry across this part of South Africa, so I'd be surprised if this rain is actually reaching the ground. Regardless, we still have isolated showers and storms anywhere that I've highlighted, and that extends through the Gauteng province as well as the high veld from Mpumalanga. But the coastal areas of South Africa, just fine and dry. In fact, mostly clear conditions from Cape Town to Port Elizabeth as well as Durban. Just isolated thunderstorms for the central parts. Let's go forward into your Friday. That, of course, would be the early part of your weekend. We have some weak low pressure systems moving across the southwestern Cape as well as an approaching cold front. There's enough instability in the air that we have a chance of showers and thunderstorms this Friday over the western half of South Africa, including Cape Town, George, Port Elizabeth, Dar, Sutherland, and Uppington. We have a small chance of drizzle near the escarpment area, but we do have a dry forecast for Pretoria, Johannesburg, as well as the Durban and Richards Bay coast. That would be for your Friday. Now back to tonight, chances of rainfall look like this. Isolated showers and thunderstorms from Polokwane to Mbombela, as well as Ladysmith, Bethlehem and Harrismith. You can see our 40% chance of rain across the central parts of the Northern Cape. We've included a 20% probability near Bloemfontein, but notice the coastal areas of South Africa stay dry. Bloemfontein, 15 degrees. This is your Metrovision forecast. Most of the Free State should stay dry overnight. However, we can't rule out the possibility of a passing hit-or-miss thunderstorm. Temperatures warm to 32 degrees. We have isolated showers and thunderstorms in your Friday forecast. West to northwesterly wind between 5 and 15 kilometers per hour. Here's your wind stream map across South Africa. Northwesters building across the western half of South Africa. That's ahead of our weak cold front. We have a northeaster along the east coast and a fresh easterly component to the wind for Port Elizabeth. While winds remain light and variable across the northern high veld. Temperatures overnight for Johannesburg, 14 for you, 17 near Pretoria, upper teens for Durban and Richards Bay. Will drop to 16 for George, 19 overnight near Cape Town. Daytime highs, very summer-like across South Africa. Warm weather over the west through the central parts all the way to the northern high veld. 26 near Bethlehem, 30 degrees for Durban. Johannesburg, you'll top 27. Mbombela, 30 degrees. By Saturday, we're expecting isolated showers and thunderstorms over the eastern half of the country. Maybe a raindrop or two near Cape Town. By Sunday, chances of rain along the south coast as well as Gauteng. That's all from me. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com